Andrew Holness, I'm so upset with you. You feel the Jamaican people. You feel the Jamaican society.
Greetings one and all. Always remember this together we rise, divided we fall. Me say welcome, I hope all is well. Knowledge and wisdom I give away free, none na sell. Welcome to Lion Foot Channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell. Please and thanks, do give thanks.
Yes, hello, greetings all my viewers and subscribers. Good morning, good night, good evening, wherever you are. I see that video, yeah, big up on yourself. God bless on the scene. Do give thanks for the support. I really appreciate it. Super nice to see you. Welcome to the Lion Foot family. Welcome to the jungle. See, normal people, that video is based on youth. I just wake up 4 a.m. in the morning, 20th of May, 2020. See, you know, someone sent a video to me with a youth. I cry out for your mother, you know. She's on the sea and on the ship in the sea, ocean, for months. Now them getting seasick and traumatized. And Andrew Holness are the people about the Andrew Holness. But here we're gonna make you watch the video where the youth and hear the youth cry. And I hope this Andrew Holness can see this. See? After the break, don't know.
Can we eat now? I gotta taste for some chickpeas. Chickpeas, 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 chickpeas.
That is a song called Chickpeas, sung by Natural Onyx. Bad singer, bad rapper from Cincinnati. Me and I do a song, Worldwide Peace. Big up Natural Onyx. Yeah man, this song is gonna be available on all platforms from the 22nd of May. Seeing? Yeah, so go and show the support. Yeah man, check out our Instagram, Natural Onyx, ONYX. Yeah, natural spend the normal way, you see me? Normal people, that video you know, the youth. I cry out for your mother star, you see me? I say, Andrew Holness, where you going already? Lose off of you. After the people them say, yo, he's doing a good job. For me, he could have done more. But they're all tricksters, they're all liars, they're all of them plan. You see, Andrew Holness, see, only care about himself. He don't care about the Jamaican them. I told the people that cry out and bash him hard. That's why I see him start giving the 10 grand, you know. But listen to the youth, hear what the youth I say.
Andrew Holness, I'm so upset with you. You feel the Jamaican people. You feel the Jamaican society. How can you have so much cruise ship workers outside, out there? You hear the bag of noise on the internet. You hear the bag of thing attack on the media. And you not trying to reach out to the cruise line for taking back the people them? Are dead you want the people them dead out there? No, this is the second video me I make because my mother is on that ship with the 1,050 odd people or 40 odd people on board. And right now, the ship have to turn away and gone back at Haiti because them wouldn't even allow them to stay in the Jamaican space. No, this is a ship with 1,000 odd people on board, Jamaican people. The same people them we have pay tax for your country. And you go turn them back. Andrew Holness, what you do? Andrew Holness, me did a road for you, but right now you let me down. You let down the whole Jamaica, yo. You tell me, say, the people, them can't even idle in the water, in the Jamaican water space until Uno figure out what to do. Now the ship have to be turned and go back at Haiti, back our next country with few people. I wanna do. Wanna hear the cry from the people, them wanna not make no effort at all to try and do something. Yo, me can't believe, Star. Me can't believe. I have family pan there, I have friends pan there, my mother they pan there. The other day, a bag of security have got curl my mother room because them hear her a ball. And them don't know if it's suicide, if she will kill herself or nothing like that. So them have to take for them precautionary measures. The person with the next door to my mother room, him not even have a phone. Because them catch him and move shake your way and them not sure if him will kill himself. Them have to take out shoes list, them have to take out the phone card, them have to take out everything out of room and have security and money time 24/7. Now this is a Jamaican citizen. Them not live nowhere else. Jamaican have a right to be in a them country, corona or no corona. Oh, so we suspect them of having corona. So if we have one other country to deal with it, and we not deal with nothing. After we people them, take them in, quarantine them and do what uno have to do. The ship go as far as say, them a make them come to Jamaica and use the ship as a quarantine space. Since as uno claim say uno don't have no space to quarantine the people them. Work out something now. Work out something uno gonna make the people them dead out there.
Alright, my people, even the youth say, obviously, Andrew Holness could have do better. But no, you see me? You now no time for the people about the sea. How can the hell you have them taxpayers, citizens of Jamaica, in the sea for so long? And before you make them come in and you send them to a quarantine center, like what you have been doing to the people in Jamaica, on the land, you send them back to Haiti. Come on now. That's not a wise move. You claim someone is smart, but you're not smart, you know? Yeah, man, them not smart, man. Wicked them. All of them have them plan, and them know what them do. You see me, and some of them Jamaican people are licky. Some of them are licky. And easy to buy out and sell out. Stand up for the rights and make a man use 10 grand a go no. Oh, 10 grand. I can bet all of him give out of that. Still not jerk him pocket from where him get, because him get whole heap of money for do with the 5G and for say the C word. You see me? If you agree with the C word, we see Tanzania president come out and expose them, say them offer him 20 mil. And him say no, him offer him people them. See? Madagascar find a treatment to cure liquid the C19. And them refuse it, them say no, them are wait for them vaccine. You see me? When I see him in a picture with Bill Gates, I say, that's my right him off, you know. Wicked boy that man. That man then a rate Jamaican. The man rate to him pocket and then big house when he retire. You see me? Yeah. But as I say, when the Jamaicans only easy for buy out anyway and sell out. You see me? Man beat you and whip you and then when you see him and turn and go vote for the same person who abuse, you know. And now do nothing. From me a youth I grow, I see them thing there. But me I say youth, just have faith in your mother. And just go and pray for her and hope she should come back to Jamaica safe, you know. And for the other gentleman who is on suicidal watch, I'm gonna pray for him. You know what I mean? Because see clear, Andrew Holness don't care. Andrew Holness is no bro God. Andrew Holness, con artist, wicked. Yeah man, deceiver. One of the intelligent politician I say coming up power. Different from the rest. He must scrape discreetly and smartly, intelligently, psychologically. Sell out the wharf, everything. Yeah, my viewers and subscribers, I hate that thing, I don't know. Right now, sleep still in my eyes, but me just want to put out this for when you hear the youth cry. And yo, it's wicked out there. Big up on yourself.
Big up Lionfoot, subscribe to the channel now. Represented from Afghanistan families. Yo, peace out.